Welcome to the heart of Georgia, where a hidden gem awaits discovery. Nestled in the bustling city of Atlanta, there's a place that transcends age and time, a sanctuary where imagination takes center stage. But before we unveil this magical destination, let me ask, when was the last time you truly felt like a child again? Hold onto that thought as we journey into a world where strings and stories intertwine. Atlanta, a city known for its rich history and vibrant culture, holds a treasure unlike any other in the United States. In 1978, a ribbon was cut by none other than Jim Henson and Kermit the Frog, marking the birth of what would become the largest nonprofit organization dedicated to puppetry arts in the nation. This center isn't just about marionettes. It's a cultural beacon that has educated and entertained millions through performances, workshops, and an expansive museum collection. It stands as a testament to the enduring power of storytelling and creativity. Step inside this whimsical world, and you'll find yourself surrounded by over 5,000 puppets from across the globe. The Worlds of Puppetry Museum is a marvel in itself, featuring two permanent galleries, one dedicated to international puppetry and another celebrating the iconic creations of Jim Henson. Imagine seeing Kermit, Miss Piggy, and even characters from the Dark Crystal up close. But that's not all. This place offers hands-on experiences like puppet-making workshops and interactive exhibits that bring out your inner puppeteer. But wait, did you know there's a secret behind these puppets that even seasoned visitors might miss? The Center for Puppetry Arts is more than just a museum. It's an immersive experience. One little-known fact is that it houses the largest collection of Jim Henson's work in the world. Visitors can explore Henson's creative process through exhibits that include his original sketches and early TV show characters like Rolf the dog. Lesser-known gems include Asian puppets acquired from Vietnam and South Korea, showcasing diverse cultural narratives through intricate designs. For those who love cult classics, the museum features puppets from Henson's adult-oriented films like Labyrinth and The Dark Crystal. And here's something not many people know. During the 1996 Olympics in Atlanta, international visitors flocked to this center because it offered an experience they couldn't find anywhere else. The center even hosted midnight performances to meet demand, a testament to its global allure. A contentious point for discussion: is puppetry just for kids? Many adults find themselves captivated by the art form's complexity and emotional depth. The center hosts adults-only events like Puppets and Pints, proving that puppetry can be as sophisticated as it is playful. You can find this enchanting venue at 1404 Spring Street Northwest at 18th Street, right in Midtown Atlanta. Plan your visit during weekdays to avoid crowds. Take advantage of MARTA for easy access, as parking is limited. Whether you're reliving childhood memories or creating new ones, the Center for Puppetry Arts offers an unforgettable experience. Dive into this magical world where every puppet has a story waiting to be told. Visit soon. You won't want to miss out on this unique adventure. Imagine a place where ancient Egyptian pharaohs rub shoulders with space-age technology, where delicate beauty meets industrial might. Picture yourself standing before a shimmering wall of light, surrounded by 3,500 years of human ingenuity. Now, what if I told you this isn't a fantasy, but a real destination nestled in the heart of New York's Finger Lakes region? In the quaint town of Corning, a glass revolution began in the 1860s. Elias Hungerford, a visionary entrepreneur, saw potential in the area's abundant coal, sand, and transportation links. Little did he know that his dream would transform this sleepy town into the Crystal City, a hub of innovation that would shape the modern world. From delicate cut glass masterpieces that dazzled at world fairs to the heat-resistant glass that revolutionized kitchens across America, Corning's story is one of constant reinvention and brilliance. As you approach this glass wonderland, you'll be struck by its modern facade, a stark contrast to the historic downtown. Inside, prepare to be dazzled by the world's largest collection of glass objects. From ancient Roman vessels to towering contemporary sculptures, each piece tells a story of human creativity and technological progress. But the real magic happens when you witness molten glass transform before your eyes. shaped by skilled artisans in live demonstrations that will leave you breathless. But what makes this place truly unique? What hidden wonders await those who venture beyond the surface? Welcome to the Corning Museum of Glass, where science, art, and history collide in a spectacular fusion of creativity and innovation. This isn't just a museum, it's a journey through time and technology, a place where the ordinary becomes extraordinary. Did you know that this museum houses the world's largest piece of solid glass? Weighing in at 1,000 pounds, it's a testament to human ingenuity and the limitless potential of this versatile material. But here's a lesser-known fact. The museum's collection includes over 3 million library items, making it the world's foremost resource for glass research. As you wander through the galleries, you'll discover hidden gems like the 35 Centuries of Glass exhibit, where you can trace the evolution of glassmaking from ancient Egypt to modern times. Don't miss the Innovation Center, where you can explore the crucial role glass plays in fields like optics and telecommunications. But the real showstopper is the Contemporary Art Plus Design Wing. Here, massive installations push the boundaries of what's possible with glass, challenging your perceptions and igniting your imagination. And if you're feeling inspired, why not try your hand at glassmaking? The Make Your Own Glass Studio offers a unique opportunity to create your own masterpiece, guided by expert instructors. One contentious point that often sparks debate: is glassblowing truly an art form, or is it merely a craft? As you watch master glassblowers transform molten glass into intricate sculptures, you'll find yourself pondering this question and perhaps forming your own opinion. You'll find this transparent treasure at One Museum Way, Corning, New York 14830. The museum is open daily from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m., with extended hours until 8 p.m. from Memorial Day to Labor Day. Pro tip: purchase your tickets online in advance to skip the lines. And if you're planning to participate in a make-your-own glass experience, book early. These popular sessions fill up quickly. Remember, your ticket is valid for 2 days, so take your time exploring this vast collection. Whether you're a history buff, an art lover, or simply curious about the world around you, the Corning Museum of Glass offers a unique journey through human creativity and innovation. So why not step into a world where the ordinary becomes extraordinary and discover the magic of glass for yourself? Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, children of all ages, imagine a place where the roar of the crowd never fades, where the glitter never loses its shine, and where larger-than-life characters live on forever. Picture a world where the impossible becomes possible, where dreams take flight, and where the ordinary transforms into the extraordinary. Welcome to the Sunshine State, where a slice of American history has been preserved in all its vibrant, whimsical glory. Nestled along Florida's Gulf Coast, Sarasota might seem like just another beach town at first glance. But beneath its sandy shores and swaying palms lies a rich cultural tapestry woven from threads of spectacle and wonder. This city, once the winter home of the greatest show on earth, harbors a treasure trove of memories from an era when Circus was king. As you approach the grand entrance, you're greeted by larger-than-life posters featuring daring acrobats, exotic animals, and flamboyant ringmasters. The air seems to shimmer with the echoes of calliope music and the excited chatter of long-ago audiences. Step inside, and you're immediately transported to a world where the ordinary rules of reality no longer apply. Towering circus wagons, ornately carved and painted in brilliant hues, stand as silent sentinels to a bygone era. The glint of sequins catches your eye as you marvel at the intricate costumes worn by performers who once defied gravity and logic for the delight of millions. But here's where it gets really interesting. Did you know that this museum houses the world's largest miniature circus? Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Ringling Brothers and Barnum and Bailey Circus Museum, where the magic of the big top lives on. This 3,800 square foot wonderland is more than just a collection of artifacts. It's a living, breathing testament to the power of human imagination and the enduring appeal of spectacle. As you wander through the exhibits, you'll discover fascinating tidbits that'll make you the hit of your next dinner party. For instance, did you know that the term jumbo to describe something large comes from Jumbo the elephant, P.T. Barnum's prize pachyderm? Or that the museum houses John Ringling's private railcar, the Wisconsin, where you can glimpse the luxurious life of a circus mogul. Here's another little-known fact. The museum's collection includes a cannon used to shoot human cannonballs. It's a stark reminder of the daring feats performers would undertake to captivate audiences. But perhaps the most surprising aspect of this museum is the Howard Brothers Circus model. This 44,000-piece miniature recreation of the Ringling Brothers and Barnum and Bailey Circus from the 1920s to 1930s took over 50 years to complete. It's a masterpiece of detail, featuring everything from tiny popcorn vendors to miniature elephants raising the big top. Now you might be thinking, isn't the circus a relic of the past? Why should we care about it today? And that's a fair question. But consider this. The circus was more than just entertainment. It was a melting pot of cultures, a showcase of human potential, and a unifying force that brought joy to millions across America. In an age of digital distraction, isn't there something magical about remembering a time when wonder could be found under a canvas tent? You can find this captivating museum at 5401 Bayshore Road, Sarasota, Florida 34243. It's part of the larger John and Mabel Ringling Museum of Art complex, so plan to make a day of it. Here's a pro tip. Don't rush through the exhibits. Take your time to read the informative placards and really examine the intricate details of the displays. And don't miss the daily screenings of vintage circus footage in the museum's theater. In a world that often seems to have lost its sense of wonder, the Ringling Brothers and Barnum and Bailey Circus Museum stands as a vibrant reminder of the magic that once captivated the nation. It's more than just a collection of artifacts. It's a journey through time, a celebration of human achievement, and a tribute to the dreamers who dared to imagine the impossible. So, are you ready to run away with the circus if only for a day? Step right up. The greatest show on earth is waiting for you.